Social proof is an increasingly important way to vet real estate agents. And a lot of consumers are taking our 5-star reviews with a grain of salt. They've been looking at Amazon reviews and a variety of views all over the internet with a little bit of skepticism. I want to show you how, with all your lead generating efforts, with everything that you're doing in real estate right now, to create social proof and use a way that is wildly powerful to be able to show that you can have and quickly that know, like, and trust factors as others tell their story about their experience with you. Your video testimonials that you're going to adopt into your business are going to be crucial for the type of brand and type of awareness that people have. And these testimonials can be very much the weight that moves the needle to them using you, calling you, setting that appointment, saying yes, because people very clearly are able to tell their stories about how great it is of an experience to work with you, what challenges that you have overcome with them, even for them to tell a little bit about themselves. So here are some examples that I wanted to kind of just watch with you to show you little pieces of how easy it can be and some ideas about how you can get video client testimonials. And I wanted to jump into some videos that I have here. We're just going to dive right into it. And I'm going to share my screen. I've got some testimonials here for you to take a look at. It's very important when you're creating videos to have your content stored correctly and being organized, having folders or an external hard drive that you can back up your videos from your phone or your camera to easily access them, to easily repurpose them, slicing and dicing old content that we can recycle into new content for all the platforms. So I've got some video testimonials here, and I just wanted to kind of take a look at them with you and show you how basic they can be. And we want to start basic because just getting a camera in front of them and inviting people that we've led through a great experience to open up and go over some quick questions so that they can tell their story on camera. This is really, really just needs to be simple. It can be just a camera right in front of them, or getting in contact with them a week or so after closing to have them send in a video client testimonial right from the comfort of their home. But we're going to talk about a few ways that we can get these testimonials and also some basic questions to get you started on what we should be asking the client that will engage them in a way that will draw out their story and not just put them in front of the camera and say, get going, tell them how great I am. Well, we're going to make this easy. Some scripts, some questions to ask, some ways that we can get these testimonials. Let's look at a testimony or two while we're chatting here. Here is a testimonial. So here's one starting here. It's got the logo coming in. You don't have to do that.
Full-time guy, hands-on, right? So it's prompt, efficient, they'll fight for your dollar, they'll get you the best they possibly can.
See, right there off the bat, this client is edifying them. This client is actually at the title company. This is a way that you can make this happen in the flow of your business. If you have a great title partner, maybe they can be your partner in the closers, making it clear that you, because you've had such a great experience, this team, it's very important to them that they get the word out about the experience they provide when working with them. So we wanted to invite you at closing. We have a few minutes after closing. Once you get your keys, we've got a camera set up and your real estate agent has some questions for you. Maybe you've provided those questions to your closer so they can email them over to them. Or maybe we're all dropping subtle hints along the process or asking them directly. You've had a great experience after closing. We've got a camera set up and a microphone. I've got some questions here that I would love for you to answer. And some of those questions, I'll go over some of those ideas right now. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself? Showing your clients background information, making them relatable is essential for testimonials. They'll be able to tell their story and it'll show prospective clients that you work with people that they can relate to. And you're going to get a little bit of the information about them. And people love to talk about themselves, especially to start out. So the first thing you can ask a potential client is, can you tell us a little bit about yourself? And then the second question, example question, could be, what challenges did we help you overcome? The challenges that come with house hunting are never ending. And you guys know that, you guys and girls, from bad credit to a less than stellar home inspection. It's great to show that you have each client's interests at heart by hearing about how you tackled these issues. Third example question could be, what would you say to someone who is hesitant about using our services? This is an excellent question because it addresses the doubt that prospective clients face when making decisions about who they'd like to work with. It's natural to question how they're going to be spending their time and money, and hearing from a satisfied client will ease that fear. We're going to be easing fear with our video client testimonials by showing a powerful medium of video, as we're going to be discussing a lot of ways to use video powerfully, but at the closing table, or maybe even a week or so after. Okay, maybe we can get our mortgage company involved with planting the seed that we want to get a video client testimonial, or the title company's closer or marketing person, letting them know that at closing, we would love to be able to get a few questions asked of you about your amazing experience with such and such realtor. It is so powerful and important in these times for people to see how they treat and what type of experience they bring to their clients, or something along those lines. And you, your transactional coordinator or yourself, can be able to drop the hint earlier on that reviews are so important. That's why we're going to give you such a great experience, because we care and we want to, at the end, be able to have your trust and talking about us and letting other people know that we can provide this type of experience. All these type of subtle hints along the process can lead to, at closing, after closing, having a powerful testimonial. Now, it can be at the title company. It can be at the client's home. You can ask them to do a client testimonial maybe a week or so after. Let them get settled in. And while emotions are still high and they're still, still feeling the great experience that we just provided over the last 30, 45 days, and given them just a few days to settle in, we could come to the house, or we can invite them via a Zoom link to do a testimonial for us via Zoom with some pre-made questions and maybe a video from you, a video, email, or text, just going over those questions and how lighthearted it should be. And we just really want to get your experience, because you had these challenges that we overcame. You had these obstacles that we were able to get right through with some creative planning and execution. We had this, multiple offer situation, and because of your negotiation skills, we were able to craft a very compelling offer that was creative and just indicative of your real estate savvy in the market. And of course, asking them about themselves to start off with, so that they can provide a relatable person or persons on screen, so that when people are looking, they can feel related. Then they can dive into how great that you are and how they can contact you. This is powerful. It's wildly more powerful than when people are looking skeptically at those 5-star reviews. Let's be honest, guys, your uncle could have wrote that. Your mom could have wrote that. Your sister could have wrote that. It really just doesn't provide the emotional and the social proof the way a video does. Now, this is an example of something that is at the home and not at the title company, but actually at the property that they are buying. Just got the name of your real estate company with some music coming in and a panning shot of the realtor, you handing off the keys to the happy clients. That's your first shot there. And then we start with some titles that we can basically do on editing. Ask those questions to the clients and watch the magic happen.
Really, with her, she made it so easy. There were things that I thought that I had to do, and by the time I went to go do them, she had already had them done. When it was time for the offer, which we did on the same day of the open house, she helped us. I would say within an hour, we already had the offer in and everything. What I would say, when you're looking for an agent and you don't want the hassle and you want to have that peace of mind, that Lindsay really was there through the whole process, and she'll educate you and she'll keep you informed. She'll give you time.
Look at that great communication. She's going to get the offer one for you. She's there for you quickly. The speed. This is me singing. These are real people that are singing this real estate agent's praises. You want to have these video testimonials. With nothing more than a camera in front of them, they've been given the opportunity to sing the praises of this real estate agent who has gone to battle for them, overcome challenges, been there, communicated well, provided an awesome team and experience, and they're willing to show it. You just have to ask. You've got to get the camera in front of them, either by placing your phone on a ring light or just holding your phone and try not to be shaky. Or if you have a gimbal, one of those tools that I have brought to your attention earlier, you can use that to stabilize your footage and just sit it on the desk. Multiple ways of getting in the front of the camera. And then, of course, if you want to allow some time to go by and plant the seed that these reviews are so important, and then reach out to them via phone or a video email, inviting them to use this Zoom link or allow me to come to your house to film this video testimonial, and let them know how important it is for your business, for people to have social proof, for people to see the type of experience you provide, because the market is saturated. There's a lot of distractions, and these videos can be awfully powerful to allow us to spread our message, show more about who we are, told by other people, which is extremely, extremely powerful. Let's look at another one here.
Why did you choose Randy as your realtor?
Past experience. He was always very professional, big thing, responsive. As soon as he asks a question, he's back within minutes to answer it. And he's always willing to lend a hand. He always volunteers to come and help out.
He went above and beyond our expectation though as well.
Did you feel confident with his advice on getting your home into optimal selling condition?
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yeah, he gave excellent advice on how to make it look. We had a problem with the air conditioning breaking, so he advised us to put in a full new system. He said that we'd get our money back, and he was right.
Now, as you can see, there's pointed questions, and we're using titles on the editing to show what the question was. You don't hear the person asking the clients the question, you're just hearing their answers, and you're seeing those titles. Now, you can just make a raw video and you can edit it, or you can forget the editing part and just capture the video and go to Fiverr.com and be able to hire for as low as $5 a freelance video artist out there to be able to get back to you quickly an edited video testimonial that you can use for your website, your landing page, your social media, different platforms, IGs, your stories, your Facebook business page, and all of that. And of course, these are great ads that GGMS can put out showing what it's like working with you, and create it into a smaller 15, 30-second clip that is able to go out there in mass and be able to sing your praises. This could be a very powerful lead generation tool as well. And it is. It's allowing people to see the story and the experience that you provide that they want to duplicate in their lives. And with this proof, with this video proof, showing the raw emotion, showing the people that they can relate to, that they can't in a 5-star review. Again, that skepticism is actually there, but in a video, it cuts all of that out and cuts to the heart of things and shows who you truly are as a real estate business professional.